The pyramids, massive, ancient, and shrouded in mystery. Were they really just tombs or something far more advanced? Let's find out.
UFOs, paranormal phenomena, conspiracy theories, unsolved mysteries. Deploying a top-secret intelligence technology known as technical remote viewing, the SciTech team investigates the unknown in search of truth and to explain the unexplainable. You want answers? We find out.
What if these structures were not just monuments, but machines designed to harness forces beyond our understanding? For centuries, the Great Pyramid has defied explanation. Perfectly aligned with celestial bodies, constructed with near impossible precision, modern engineers still struggle to understand how it was built. In the early 1900s, Nikola Tesla theorized that the pyramids could be energy generators. And now in 2024, new underground structures over 2 kilometers deep have been discovered beneath the Great Pyramid. Recently, a team of remote viewers, operating blind, was tasked with investigating the pyramids. The results were shocking. Their sketches revealed a network, an ancient energy grid designed to tap into Earth's magnetic field and zero-point energy. And now, with the discovery of these massive underground structures, we must ask, how does it work, and what exactly was the pyramid built for? If the remote viewing team is right, we may have just uncovered a lost technology hidden in plain sight for thousands of years. You've just seen a glimpse of what we uncovered, but the real data, the full report, is even more revealing. We've compiled the complete intelligence briefing from this remote viewing project, including sketches, target data, session notes, all of it. Go to wefindout.com right now and download the full report. See the evidence for yourself. It's free, and it might change how you see everything. What if you could see the truth for yourself? Remote viewing is real. It's how we uncovered these secrets. And now you can learn it too. Unlock your mind's hidden potential. Join us. Learn to remote view. Uncover the unknown, your future, and maybe become a part of our team.